Ashford Watches Reviews Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're in the market for luxury or designer watches, Ashford is a name you might know, but most people get this wrong by assuming all items are prohibitively expensive. The surprising truth is that Ashford specializes in discounted designer watches, offering a wide range of price points. Entry-level designer watches may start around, while high-end luxury pieces like Swiss automatic models range from $500 even after discounts. Flash sales and promotions can reduce prices by 20–70%. Shipping is typically, and returns are accepted within 30 days for most items, with original packaging required. What you get: authentic brand name watches at significant discounts backed by warranty and return policies. What you give up: immediate availability of every model. Some limited editions sell out quickly. Understanding brand reputation, watch features and pricing trends ensures your money is well spent. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Identify your preferred brand and model. Step 2. Compare sale price versus standard retail price. Step 3. Check warranty and return policies. Step 4. Monitor flash sales for additional savings. You won't believe what happens next if you buy without research. You might miss out on better deals or buy models that don't suit your lifestyle. The surprising truth is that Ashford allows savvy shoppers to acquire luxury watches at reasonable prices when they understand pricing and timing. In conclusion, Ashford Watches offers authentic designer options with discounted pricing. By understanding price tiers, sale opportunities and return policies, your money buys value, quality and style.